The Seafood Sirens hired the Spice King to represent their seafood product for Disney and RPP. What an honor. I reached out to the one and only Chef Angelo Paulino, and together we created over 18 menu selections that represented their seafood dishes. To start, we made a southern shrimp and grits with sausage, crispy bacon, chives, and a country-style gravy. Next, we made a baked cod with a leek butter crust, lemon sauce over whipped potatoes, using the Spice King Seafood Seasoning. Next, we made a brulee crab fringer with a jerk remoulade sauce and a mango salsa garnish, using the Spice King jerk seasoning, of course. Man, was it good. Next, we made a seared yellowtail with Haitian black rice, pickled red cabbage, and an African peanut sauce. It was so delicious. I used the spice of the motherland. Next, I had to whip out my brand new lemon pepper parmesan seasoning, and I put it over some crispy fried plantain chips. And then we topped that with a crab claw salad, and it's using the Spice King Seafood Seasoning. We then topped that with a truffled caviar that was out of sight. So amazing. Next, we made an Atlantic char with a Cajun bourbon sauce. Then we topped it with crispy bacon, sauteed mushrooms, chives, and cheese. It was out of sight. So delicious. After that, I served our coconut clam chowder, which was amazing. It had the charred sweet potatoes, the potatoes using the seafood seasoning from the Spice King epic flavor. Next, we made a Spice King leche de tigre sauce for our ceviche using the Spice King Scotch bonnet sauce, lobster, shrimp. This was followed by a grilled salmon sausage with a Korean Spice King barbecue sauce. We made crispy hake fish tacos with a Spice King jerk remoulade sauce and a mango salsa. We made a salmon Wellington, and then finally some salmon with a ponzu buttered sauce. So delicious. Major shout outs to the Seafood Sirens, RPP, Disney, Chef Angelo Paulino, and everyone that made this dinner a success. If you want the best flavor, call the Spice King.